Teruna Classic is about 400% drop back to May 2022. LUNC dropping around 400% more will definitely bring Teruna Classic back to square one, back to where it was. Remember, LUNC crashed last year May from $115 down to about 0.00003. Okay, so and LUNC right now is trading with a price of 0.0000842. If LUNC further drops 400%, we are back to where we started as of May. So imagine people have really invested a lot. People have really supported, like Binance, all this support that have been given to Teruna Classics in the past 1 year, including other crypto exchanges who have been supporting LUNC price to really increase. Imagine Teruna Classic dropping back to where it was, where it started about a year ago. I mean, this will definitely discourage not just the holders, not just the traders, not just the community, but of course it will discourage those that have been supporting pushing this coin, like Binance, like other top crypto exchanges. So for me, if Teruna Classic further drop about 400% down, Teruna Classic will definitely bring us back to where we started as of May after the crash. Now, LUNC have already deleted 1 0 since then, and we are happy because we are like, okay, Teruna Classic is about to delete another zeros, and very soon, gradually, we'll be heading towards 1 cent. And everybody was prepared for this. We are buying Teruna Classic coin, believing, especially those who actually lost a lot of money, seeing that how Binance and other exchanges have been supporting this coin to go back to at least 1 cent, and a lot of people will make a lot of money. Because if I decide to buy $100 as of Teruna Classic actually drop and crash, I would have made over $15,000. Okay, so that was the mindset. But since then, LUNC have started dropping once again. About 400% drop more will definitely take us back as of May 2022, which I believe so many crypto exchanges who has been giving the backup for Teruna Classic back to back, like Binance and other ones, they will not be happy with all the efforts. I think some people will call it off, that this coin, let's forget about this and focus on other crypto coins. That is just the truth. So I still don't know what will happen soon if LUNC will be dropping more. But what I know is they need to do something they have not done before. Whatever the plan they have, they know that it will benefit Teruna Classic coin. They need to do it now. I mean, now, in order to help this coin to start bouncing back. Because if LUNC drops more, for me, I will tell you that this is definitely going to be over for Teruna Classic. Because even me, myself, I don't think I will be buying Teruna Classic coin anymore. Right now, I've been buying Teruna Classic coin gradually, adding to what I have. But I stopped buying Teruna Classic LUNC as of a few weeks ago. But right now, I wanted to buy more, but I want to monitor to know if there is any fundamental analysis that will help something coming up, or a plan or a major release that will help LUNC to start gaining back what they have actually lost in the past. Well, for me, I still believe that Teruna Classic, there's a little hope. There's a little hope for Teruna Classic at the stage where it is. The only hope Teruna Classic have right now is because Teruna Classic is not the only coin that have been dropping. But Teruna Classic, among the top 100 coins, is one of the top coins that have been experiencing massive drop. When other coins are losing about 5%, Teruna Classic is losing about 12%. You see the difference. When most coins are losing just 3%, LUNC is losing about 6%. That is what makes it different. Some coins in the past 7 days have actually lost just 8%. Teruna Classic is losing over 20%. So they are dropping almost 2 times or 3 times what other coins are dropping based on cryptocurrency, whatever that's affiliated to cryptocurrency right now. So this is why I believe that once, let's assume cryptocurrency now started pumping back, started increasing, definitely Teruna Classic will start increasing back gradually. That is the only thing that can help this constant drop in price to stop for now. So, except they have any other plans that will help Teruna Classic coin to really increase in price. But for me, let's hope for the best. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Please kindly like this video and kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.